Good morning, students. In some banks, they are calculating the interest not instead of 1 year, they are calculating every 6 months or every 3 months. There is a change for the calculation of interest. Okay, instead of yearly, maybe they are calculating half yearly or quarterly. Arun deposited 5,000 rupees in a bank which compounds interest half yearly. Mohan deposited the same amount in another bank which compound interest quarterly. The annual rate of interest is 6% at both the banks. How much more would Mohan get after 1 year? So, two persons, Arun and Mohan. Arun deposited 5,000 rupees in a bank which compound interest half yearly. Mohan deposited the same amount, that is 5,000 rupees, in another bank. That bank compounds the interest quarterly. So both the person invested the same amount, but the bank is giving two different types of interest, compound interest. One is calculating half year interest, half yearly, and another one is calculating the interest quarterly, and the annual rate is same for both the bank, that is 6%. So after 1 year, how much amount more will get for Mohan? That you have to find out. So do it separately. What about the amount of Arun after 1 year and the amount of Mohan after 1 year? Then take the difference. So we are writing about Arun. The principal amount he deposited is 5,000. The bank is giving the annual rate of 6% for 1 year, and the interest is calculated half yearly, that is yearly 2 times. So what about small n? Small n is equal to 2 we can write, because yearly annual rate 6% calculated half yearly, so n is equal to 2. So if n is equal to, what about our rate of interest? It should be changes to 6% by 2, so it should be 3%. Half yearly 3%, 2 times together 3 plus 3, it should be 6%. Okay, annual rate of 6%, but it is calculated half yearly, that is why 6% by 2. This 2 is number of times, in yearly 2 times. Okay, that's why n is equal to 2. So rate of interest is 6% by 2, it is 3%. Then you can apply in your equation. So general equation is A is equal to amount is equal to principal amount into 1 plus rate by 100 raised to n. So amount is equal to, we are writing about Arun. Okay, so 5,000 rupees he deposited. Then for the rate of 3% for 2 times, that is yearly 2 times. Then that is 5,000 into 1 plus 3 by 100. How do you write? 1 into 100 and 100 plus 3 by 100 raised to 2. So it's 5,000 into 103 by 100 raised to 2. So 103 by 100 by, that we can write as 5,000 into 1.03. 103 by 100 you can write as 1.03 raised to 2. Then we have to find out 1.03. A plus b whole square form we have to find out. 1.03 we can write as 1 plus 0.03 raised to 2. Okay, so a plus b whole square, a square plus 2 into a into b plus 0.03 whole square. 1 square is 1 itself, plus 2 into 1 into 0.03 means 0.06, plus 0.03 square. So it should be 2 decimals here, take the double, so it should be 0.0009. 3 square is 9, so 4 decimals will come, 0.001. This we have to add it, that is 1.000.06.0009, all together 9060. So we get 1.0609. That is the square of this term. So it should be 5000 into 1.0609. That you have to, here 2 4 decimals are there, here 3. We can cut it. So 5 into 1.0609 into 1000. 5000 you can split as 5 into 1000. 5 into 1000 into 1.0609. Then 5 into 1000, if you multiply it, you can remove the decimals. 3 decimals you can remove it. So 1.060, that you can write as 1060.9. Then multiply it by 5. That answer we are getting as 530.5 rupees. That you can round as 5305 because it is 0.5. Above 0.5 you can round it as 1. So 5305 rupees is the amount the Arun is getting after 1 year. Okay, the total amount is getting after 1 year is 5305 rupees. So about Mohan, the principal amount is same, the rate of interest is also same, but there is a change here. The bank is calculating the interest quarterly, same like N is also 1 year. Quarterly means every 3 months the interest is calculated. So in 1 year, how many times it will calculate? 4 times it will calculate. So 3 months into 4 times, that is 1 year, that is 12 months. So here N is equal to 4. Then what about the rate? Annual rate is 6%, but it is calculating 4 times a year. So it should be divided with 4. So if it divide it with 2, 3 by 2 percentage you will get. 3 by 2 percentage we can write as 1.5 also. This we can write as 1.5 percentage as the rate of interest. So the amount we can write as, amount is equal to 5000 into 1 plus R by 100. 1.5 by 100 raised to how many times? 4 times, raised to 4. So it is 5000 into 1 plus 1.5 by 100 you can write as 1 into 100 plus 1.5. So it is 100 plus 1.5 by 100 raised to 4. That you can write as 5000 into 101.5 by 100 raised to 4. If you divide with 100, it is 5000 into 1.015 raised to 4 will come. Then you have to calculate 2 times, that is a plus b whole square. Again you have to find out a plus b whole square. Then you multiply it, you will get the answer. So you can split like this, 1.015 square into 1.05 square. Okay, 2 times you multiply. This a plus b whole square form 1 plus 0.015, that is 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 0.015 plus 0.015 square. So it should be 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 0.015. It is 50 into 2 is 30. 3 decimals. So 0.030 plus 0.015 square. Here 3 places. Once the answer we will get 6 places. So 3 into 2, 6 places will come. 15 square is 225. Here 3 decimals are there. 3 more decimals you have to add it. So 0.000225. Then you have to add it. And you will get 1.030225 will get. So this is the answer for only the square. Again you have to multiply. That is 1.03 into 1.03 you have to take it. That is, you will get almost 1.06 like that. Okay, that is the square of these two terms. So you will get 5000 into square of this one is 1.03. Then one more 1.03 you have to multiply it. Same like again you can calculate. So you are getting as 1.0614 will get if you take the square of both, or if you take the multiplication of 4 times. So 5000 into, that is 5 into 1000 into 1.0614. Then if you multiply it, you will get 5307 rupees. So this is the amount is getting after 1 year. Then the amount difference, or how much amount the Mohan will get more. Amount difference we can write. Amount difference is equal to 5307 minus 5305. The previous one is 5305. So you are getting a difference of 2 rupees. That means Mohan will get 2 rupees more than Arun. The 2 rupees change because of the interest calculation of half yearly and quarterly. So the bank is calculating the quarterly interest. The Mohan is getting 2 rupees more, and for Arun it is half year calculation. That's why 2 rupees less. So the more amount the Mohan is getting, how much amount? That is 2 rupees. The Mohan will get 2 rupees more. Mohan will get 2 rupees more than Arun. That is the final answer. So the difference because of the calculation of the interest half yearly and quarterly. Remember that one. John deposited 25,000 rupees on the 1st of January in a bank where interest is compounded half yearly at 6% annual rate. So the John deposited how much? 2,500 rupees on 1st January. Then the rate of interest, annual rate is 6%, and the bank is calculated the interest compounded half yearly. Then on the 1st of July, so 1st January he deposited 2,500. Then on the 1st of July he deposited 2,500 rupees more. That means after depositing 2,500, after 6 months he again deposited. That is in 1st January 2,500, again 1st July. That means after 6 months. Okay, next half year. Okay, starting on the next half year he deposited 2,500 rupees again. So how much would he have in his account at the end of the year? So the first half he deposited 2,500, and the next half again he deposited 2,500. So how much is the amount he is getting after 1 year? So remember this one. John deposited 2,500 in the 1st of January, and the annual rate of the bank is 6%, but it is calculated half yearly. So we can write n is equal to how much? N is equal to, because half year calculation, And what about the rate of interest? 6% annual rate is cut to half. That is 3%. 3% every half year. Okay, that is the rate of interest the bank is giving. So write down the interest for the first half year. Here only we are calculating 1 year, that's why we are not using that equation. So directly we can calculate it. So interest for the first half year is equal to 2500 is the amount deposited for a rate of 3% because it's half year. Okay, so 0 0 will be cancelled, so you will get 25 into 3. You are getting 75 rupees as interest for the first 6 months. Okay, so 2500 deposited for 3% rate, we are getting an interest of 75 rupees. So the principal amount for the second half, 1st January 2500 deposited for 3%, so you are getting an interest of 75 rupees. So in the next half, 2500 plus that interest is added, so 2575 rupees as the principal amount for the next half. And what he did, in the July 1st, he again deposited 2500 in July 1st. So the amount deposited on July 1st, it is 2500. Okay, so what about the total amount? Already first 6 months plus interest 2575 is there. Along with that, he deposited 2500 again. So the total amount is 5075 rupees. That is the principal amount for the second half. So the interest we have to calculate for next half year. The principal amount is 5075. Rate of interest is again 3%. So it is 5075 into 3 by 100. 5075 into 3 by 100. Then if we calculate this, it multiply to 3 and take 2 decimal places. 152.25 rupees you are getting as the interest. So the total amount at the end of the year is, already the principal amount is 5075 plus the interest, 6 months interest 152.25 should be added. So you will get 5227.25 rupees. That you can round as 5227 rupees. So this is the amount he is getting after 1 year. Ramlath deposited 30,000 rupees in a financial establishment which pay interest 9% annual rate. 9% annual rate, compounded every 4 months. Compounded every 4 months. How much would she get back after 1 year? So the how much she deposited? 30,000 rupees. She deposited in a financial establishment which pay interest. Rate of interest is 9% annual rate. Annual rate of 9%, compounded every 4 months. Compounded every 4 months. Every 4 months means in 1 year how we can write 4 months into 3 times. that is 12 months or 1 year. So every 4 months the interest is calculated, that means 3 times a year. Okay, remember that one. So n is equal to 3 you can write. And the rate of interest is 9% by 3. So it is 3% every 4 months. The amount is equal to 30,000 into 1 plus r by 100. R is 3. 3 by 100. How many times? 3 times. So n equal to 3, r is equal to 3% because every 4 months calculation. So 3 times. So 9% annual by 3. 9% annual by 3. That is why it is 3%. Then that is 30,000 into 100 plus 3 by 100 raised to 3. So that is 30,000 into 103 by 100 raised to 3. That is 30,000 into 1.03 raised to 3. So use this identity: a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Using this identity we have to prove it. So it should be 1 square. A square is 1 cube plus 3 into a square, 1 square into b, 0.03 plus 3 into 1 into 0.03 whole square plus 0.03 whole cube. 1 cube is 1. 3 into 1 into 0.03. 0.03 into 3 is 0.09 plus 3 into 1 into 0.03 whole square. 0.03 whole square is how much? 3 into 0.0009. 2 decimals should be double. Plus 0.03 whole cube. 0.03 into 0.03 into 0.03. So 6 decimal places there. Cube 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So 3 cube is 27. Then 6 decimal places. Here 2 is there. Okay. So 0.00027. 6 decimal places are there. Then you have to add all 3. Here also you have to multiply 3 into 0.039. So it is 1 plus 0.09 plus 3 into 9, 27. Here 4 decimal places. 0.0027 plus 0.00027. All these we have to add it together. If you add it, you will get 1.092727. That you can take as 1.09. Okay, nearly 1.09. Then you have to multiply with that. So 30,000 into 1.09 you have to multiply it. That is 2 decimal places. So 1.09 into 300 into 100. 2 decimal places if you take it here. So it is 109. So 109 into 3 you have to multiply. Then 2 more zeros you can add it. So you are getting the final answer as 32782 rupees nearly. Okay, so the final you can getting 32,782 rupees. So 2,782 rupees she is getting as the total interest. So the total amount he is getting is after 1 year is 32,782 rupees.